T-minus 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
59600.
Houston now controlling. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey to shore up the International Space Station.
All right, we're about to go on the shuttle. This is the Space Launch Simulator. Here we go. Are you scared?
No. I'm worried I'm going to get sick, though.
She thinks she's got to get sick because of the motion sickness. I guess we'll find out.
I guess so.
So this is the entranceway to the Space Shuttle launch where they're going to launch us. 10 seconds to launch.
You'll hear a loud roar and you'll feel a big rumble.
Here we go. We're getting ready to get put into the Space Shuttle.
Pointed straight up on the bed, so we need to get you into that position.
Oh my God, here we go. Oh my God.
You comfy? Normally in restaurants, we have to wait like that for a couple of hours. So just sit tight. I'll be back.
What?
Just kidding. Now, remember, at 6.6 seconds, your main engines will ignite. Then the shuttle will twang. Then the SRBs are going to blink, and you are off.
Oh my God. Oh man, we are flying. 59600.
Mach 1. 0 to speed sound in less than a minute. Your main engines are throttling back to reduce the pressure on your shuttle as you go through max Q. Remember that tin can? You made it through max Q. Your main engines are throttled back up to 104%. Fuel is spent in the solid rocket boosters, and you're going to jettison them in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there goes our rockets.
Hear that? Negative return? That means if something goes wrong now, you don't have enough fuel to port back to the launch site at the Kennedy Space Center. Fortunately, everything's now, at least for now. Guess I spoke too soon. See? That's what it's like in a training simulation. The diabolical sim soup and your trainers are always throwing emergencies at you. Let's see how the crew does.
Houston, it looks like we have a cabin leak. Roger, we see a negative DPDT. Go to the cabin press leak procedure.
Negative DPDT means that you're losing air pressure. A cabin leak is never a good thing. Your flight deck crew is working on the problem now. Ever been to Zaragoza, Spain before? Well, if they can't fix it, you'll be landing there in a few minutes.
Wait, unless the cabin relief isolate valves. Roger, looks like that solved the problem. Press the Nico.
The crew isolated the leak. Nice job. Looks like you're still on track. You're now pulling 3 Gs. You don't want to go over 3 Gs, so you're going to throttle back a little and get ready for main engine cutoff.
3 back to 72%.
You're now going 23 times the speed of sound, or just over 17,000 miles per hour. When you hit 17,500, get ready for main engine cutoff in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nico.
Wave goodbye to the external tank and say hello to outer space. Men and women of NASA, thank you for joining us on this adventure today. Now, whenever you see a space launch, hopefully you'll remember your experience here today. And at least in spirit, you'll be on board. And who knows? Maybe one day you will fly with us.
This is the exit of the Space Shuttle launch. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see the stars in here, but it's incredible. There's the International Space Center.